Cristiano was how do you say it? Sort of a tricky player, you know, and a player that had a little bit of tricks and that, the other, but we want him to make more efficient.
Yeah.
You know, it needs to be a weapon. You need to hurt opposition with it. You know, so it was a combination of, again, giving functional skills, functional techniques to change direction, functional techniques to go past and beyond players, functional techniques to that leading into a cross or a finish, that sort of stuff. And then bringing him from awareness to understanding. You know, he was aware he was a forward. He was aware he was tall. He was aware he was quick. He was aware, but does he understand? Did he understand what to do in a given situation if that particular player was on the ball or when the opposition was there? That is a combination of things, and that awareness to understand. Also, he had a different outlook and an attitude to scoring goals. He always wanted to score the special goal, the one that flew in top corner.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And best goal of the season. But by trying that, he would lose out on maybe scoring another 15 goals. So I wanted to get him from awareness to understanding. It's the amount of goals you score. It's the variety of goals you score. And that's why at one point I set him down and I let him look at a video that I prepared with all the goals, a lot of goals scored by Sheringham, of Cole, York, Sheringham, Solskjaer and Van Nistelrooy. You know, it was maybe 10-minute video, just something like that. Goals after goal, bang, 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 bang. And I asked him, what did you see? So when I finished, so he sat there, they're like, focused on the screen. He said, what did you see? He says, what do you mean? So that's not the right answer. It's not the right, it's not the right answer. It's not the right answer, Chris.
Let's watch it again.
So, exactly, we did.
Yeah.
And it says, now you know the question. Look at it, but look at it from a different perspective. And then I asked him again, what did you see? He says, well, what I saw was all the finishes are 1 or 2 touch finishes. Yeah. There's a variety in the finishes. Yeah. So there's headers, there's volleys, there's tap-ins, there's chips, there's benders, there's whatever it is. And the last but not least is most of the goals, most of the goals are scored into the central part of the goal or just on the outside, like that. And the fewest goals are scored from outside the box. So those 3 were sort of the 3 things. And those are exactly the 3 things we're going to work on.